there, I was so excited for today that I couldn't barely sleep, but that didn't stop me from waking up around 4 a.m. and getting ready to meet Stitch. Yep, that's what I named my canoe.
That's not a real name in Iceland, but here it's a good name.
Today felt a little different than usual, like the best training session so far. I had the pleasure of pedaling with my friend Maggie. We had such an amazing time. The views while pedaling were just cinematic, like something out of a movie. Sure, I might still be making plenty of mistakes and there's lots to learn, but being on the OC1 feels so natural. It's like it's become part of me. This must be what they mean by feels like home. No matter where I go, it's an adventure, a whole new world. And even though there aren't any huge waves or any crazy challenges, the thrill of discovery is always there. I guess it's just one of those life events that are meant to happen, no matter which path you take, how often you might get lost. But back to today's adventure, Maggie taught me some better techniques and helped me improve my posture. We even went to a place they call the portal where everyone started their training. It wasn't very deep, so I was able to get out of the canoe and deep in. And it was incredibly refreshing. We ventured further than I usually do with the OC1. Although we've been there with the OC6, experiencing it in this way was uniquely mesmerizing. Meanwhile, my mom and my dad were taking turns on the V1, enjoying their Valentine's Day together. It's great seeing them becoming more confident and skilled with each pedal. As Maggie and I were arriving, the captain suddenly decided that we should race each other. I was definitely not ready for that, but I loved it. It was so much fun. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you, every pedal in the water writes a new story, and I am so grateful to have you all as part of mine. Until next time, keep pedaling and stay adventurous. Bye bye.